Hey everyone, if Logseq is not opening, gets stuck on the loading screen, crashes immediately after launch, or refuses to start altogether, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Logseq not opening problems in 2026. First, completely close Logseq and try launching it again. Sometimes temporary startup glitches can prevent the application from opening correctly. Next, restart your computer. A simple reboot can clear background processes and temporary system issues that may be interfering with Logseq. Another common fix is checking whether you're using the latest version of Logseq. Outdated versions can contain bugs or compatibility problems that prevent the application from launching properly. If Logseq recently stopped working after an update, try opening a different graph or creating a temporary test graph. This can help determine whether the issue is related to the application or a specific workspace. Finally, if Logseq still won't open, contact the Logseq community or support channels and provide details about your operating system, Logseq version, graph size, installed plugins, and any error messages you're seeing. And that's how to fix Logseq not opening problems in 2026. In most cases, updating the application, checking graph files, disabling problematic plugins, clearing cache data, and reinstalling Logseq will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.